Hey friends, are you tired of your job? Dreaming of starting your own business but worried about money? Well, today I'm breaking down 5 business ideas that can start with zero investment. And yes, they have the potential to make you serious profits. Stick around till the end, because the last idea is a total game changer. First up, digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or design templates. If you've got a skill, writing, designing, editing, you can create something once and sell it over and over. No inventory, no shipping, just your creativity and the internet. This is earning in dollars while you sleep. Second, freelance services. Whether it's graphic design, video editing, or voiceover work, sites like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy. Even if you're just starting out, AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva let you work smarter and faster. Don't have fancy equipment? No problem, just focus on your skills. Third, print on demand. Imagine making money off your designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, without touching a single product. Platforms like Shopify and Teespring handle the rest. Design with tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, upload, and get paid every time someone buys. Fourth, content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram page. At first, the cash is slow, but once you build an audience, you can score sponsorships, affiliate deals, ad revenue, the works. AI can help you research, script, and edit faster. And finally, the powerhouse, affiliate marketing. You promote a company's product and get a commission on every sale. Platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale have thousands of products waiting for you. All you need is a blog, YouTube, or Insta page. Here's the secret: consistency and patience. Results don't come overnight, but if you stick to it for just 3-6 months, trust me, you'll see the rewards. So, which business idea fired you up the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want deeper guides on any of these, hit like and subscribe right now. And don't miss my next video, where I'll show you how to make $1,000 a month from just your smartphone. Till then, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep winning.